Today we will discuss experiment number 10, identification test for magnesium hydroxide. Aim of this experiment to perform the identification test for magnesium hydroxide. Objective of this experiment identification test for magnesium hydroxide to understand the reaction which is involved in the identification test for magnesium hydroxide. Then understand the use of reagents, chemicals in the identification test for magnesium hydroxide. Then identify cation, anion which is present in the given organic sample and to perform the and report the result and conclusion of the identification test for magnesium hydroxide. Okay, then chemicals used for identification test for magnesium hydroxide are dilute ammonium solution, 2 molar ammonium chloride, then 0.25 molar disodium hydrogen phosphate, then titan yellow, 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide and distilled water. Then glasswares used as a porcelain dish, wooden stand, test tubes, pipette, filter paper, then burner, beaker, glass rod, wire gauze and funnel. Then instruments, analytical balance with the calibrated weight box used for this experiment. Then magnesium hydroxide is a bulky white fine amorphous powder. Then magnesium hydroxide contains not less than 95% and not more than 100.5% of the magnesium hydroxide. Then it is used as an antacid and osmotic laxative as well as a cathartic. In larger dose, these act as a cathartic and is usually administered as emulsion or a suspension. Then it is almost insoluble in water and which is slightly solution is alkaline. Then it dissolves in dilute mineral acids. It slowly absorbs carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Then these all are the chemical reactions of a magnesium salts or identification reactions of a magnesium hydroxides. The presence of ammonium chloride prevents the precipitation because of the suppression of the ammonium hydroxide due to common ion effect. Then we will see the identification test. आयडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट ही आपण कशासाठी करतो. लॅब स्केलमध्ये बऱ्याच बॉटल्समध्ये केमिकल्स असतात, ते वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे असतात, वेगवेगळ्या टाईप्सचे असतात. तर त्यामध्ये काही केमिकल्सला लेबल असतात तर काही असतात आणि नसतातही. तर जे केमिकल्स आहेत समजा उदाहरणार्थ या ठिकाणी सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड आहे, त्याच्यावरती लेबल आहे, पण ते लेबल असून देखील आतमध्ये सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईडच आहे का, किंवा एखाद्या बॉटलवरती लेबलच नाही आहे, मग त्यामध्ये कोणतं सोल्युशन आहे तर ते माहीत करून घेण्यासाठी आपण आयडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट करतो. तर त्याच पद्धतीने आत्ता आपण मॅग्नेशियम साईडसाठी काही आयडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट दिले आहेत त्या बघणार आहे. फर्स्ट टेस्ट देर इज अ 4 टेस्ट which is involved identification test for the magnesium hydroxide. First is a dissolve 50 mg of 50 milligram of the substance under examination in 2 ml of water or use 2 ml of the prescribed solution, then add 1 ml of the dilute ammonia solution. Then observation is a white precipitate is a form, so there is a magnesium may be present. Then above solution add 1 ml or 2 molar ammonium chloride, then there is a white precipitation is re-dissolved. Then there is a inference is magnesium ion is a confirmed. Then third test is the above solution, that is a test solution number 2, add 1 ml of 0.25 molar disodium hydrogen phosphate, then there is a white crystalline precipitate is produced and magnesium ion is a confirmed. Then fourth is 0.5 ml of neutral or slightly acid solution of the substance under examination at 0.2 ml of 0.1%. solution of a titan yellow and 0.5 ml of a 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. Then there is a bright red turbidity develops which gradually settles to give a bright red precipitate. Then magnesium ion is a confirmed. After completion of this test, identification test, then put this test result into the observation table and result completed.